Today I have 3 tips for you to boost your sales and transform your products into huge hits that customers keep coming back for. On average, it takes 7 touch points for customers to buy, but don't be discouraged. Continue to build that trust by showing up and sharing your fabulous products. Number 2, confidently share your products. Your customers need every ounce of love and energy that you put into your amazing creations. That's why selling is serving. Number 3, prioritize taste and quality. That's what keeps people coming back for your amazing products. That's why Amoretti is my not so secret weapon. Amoretti's products are highly concentrated with full flavor, and they have a wide variety of sizes and products. If you're a home baker, cottage baker, or even a large-scale business, you will be able to get the flavor you want at the size you want. We're talking 2 ounces, 2.2 pounds, 10 pounds, and more. With such incredible flavor, I also love that Amoretti is easy to use. All you have to do is follow the use level on the back of each bottle. I can't wait to see what you will create with Amoretti's products and the transformation that will occur.